Guys, it's me Zoe. Today I'm here with my friend Stella.
Hi.
And I have covered my jewelry box stickers like 2 or 1 year ago. And today I'm going to be opening it. I actually forgot my box right here. So I'm just going to cut the stickers open on the side.
Probably going to take a little bit.
It's probably going to take a while. What kind of jewelry box is this? Yeah, it's a Bell jewelry box. I put so much laser stickers on this. I forgot why I did this again. I don't know what younger me was thinking. I don't know. But I just need to cut Bart Simpson's head off quick. Or just cut through him. Goodness gracious, why is it so tough? Okay. I have so much laser stickers on this. Okay, I found the tip of this while I open it. I think I can open this now, right? Okay, here it's opening. So this is the jewelry box. It has Belle on it. In the mirror you can see her. She kind of looks creepy. But look at those lips. I can't really see, but she kind of looks creepy to me. With those Joker lips. So let's see what's inside here. First up, this thing that fell off of my phone. It's like a pop-out thing. Next up, all my little bottles of potions and stuff.
Oh, it's messy.
This is potion.
You should probably throw this all away when you
hold this stuff. There's a lot of stuff in here, like earrings, bottles. Who knows what this thing is? But yeah, that's what was inside. See you guys in my next vlog. Bye.